Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT on your Bitget Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy USDT on your Bitget Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your web browser. On the search box at the top, type in bitget.com and make a search. The official page of Bitget Wallet's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of your Bitget Wallet account will appear on the page. Now under Buy Crypto, tap on Quick Buy from the drop-down. On the next page, you can see USDT option displayed on the screen. If there is any other option, tap on it and from the drop-down, click on USDT. Enter the payment amount, select your payment method, pay for the coin, and that's how you will be able to buy USDT on your Bitget Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.